Okay, we have a fitting today. I want to show you the base, the hair fall system. Firstly, I'm going to put this here so you can see that base. You can see the poly band, which is about ½ an inch in front of the hairline, and it goes all the way around, so it's quite easy for the maintenance. Right, I put a little bit of tape here, just attach it just to this excess lace. So, right, as you can see, this hair system has got wave in it. So this client is travelling all the way down from Kent today for the fitting, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of the benefits. I'll hold this here, so I brush this so you can just see the hairline. Again, let me move that forward. We're known for that. And then you're going to see the wave in it as well. I'll just spray some more water and I'll spin the head around and you'll see the wave. Troy is cutting the system in. This client has his hair quite short, and we've done 2 waves. We've done 3.0 around the front, and we've left the perimeter 3.5. Here we go again. That's what we're known for, Hair for London. And I'll just show you the wave. Obviously it's got to be cut in. Spin it around. And generally this lasts the length of the hair system. I know Bill makes his hair systems last quite long, 10, 11 months, and the wave stays in it. So I'll take it off the head and just get the full benefit for the fitting of the hairline, which we're renowned for.